welcome back. This is day 2 in Ahmedabad and we are at Ashram, Sabarmati Ashram.
Sabarmati Ashram is the must-visit place in Ahmedabad. It is the residence of Mahatma Gandhi where he used to live with his wife. It is located at the Sabarmati regions of Ahmedabad on the banks of Sabarmati river. The timing here is from 8:30 am to 6:30 pm and there is no entry fees. It is the place where you can learn about Mahatma Gandhi and his life. Sabarmati Ashram is divided into 3 major sections: the museum, the khadi factory and the house. At museum, you will get to see the original photos, letters written by Mahatma Gandhi, paintings and many more information about his social work and life. Mahatma Gandhi stayed at Sabarmati Ashram with his wife Kasturba Gandhi for 12 long years. This is Sabarmati River, also called Sabarmati Riverfront. So this is the original house of Mahatma Gandhi. This place is very beautiful and feels peaceful. The house has kitchen at the right and Kasturba Gandhi's room and one guest room at the left with the beautiful angan in the center. It also has Gandhiji's room where he used to meet people and run charkha. Then we went to Stepwell Adalaj. It is the popular tourist attraction of the Gandhinagar due to its architectural style. It is considered as the fine example of Indian architecture work. It was built in 1498 in the memory of Rana Veer Singh by his wife Queen Ruda Devi. It is really beautiful and the place is very photogenic. You can click as much photographs as you want here. Then we went to Kankariya Lake, which is the second largest lake of Ahmedabad and which is also called as the Pride of Ahmedabad. The timing here is from 9 am to 10 pm and it is closed on Monday. Entry fee is Rs 10. All the other activities inside the campus have different entry fees. This place is very big and a good place to spend time with family. Here you can do many activities like boating, water ride, train ride, adventure ride, sports activities, and you will get to see laser shows, butterfly park and theme park. The campus of Kankariya Lake is so huge that you will get tired of walking. But it is the best place to spend time when you are in Ahmedabad. So it was 9 pm and we were hungry, so we again went to Manek Chauk. We ate ice cream sandwich and veg pulao. Veg pulao was okay, but ice cream sandwich was ultimate. It really tasted amazing. Well, that's it for day 2. Here we ended our day 2 in Ahmedabad.
This is day 3 in Ahmedabad and we are at Jama Masjid. This place is really beautiful. After visiting Jama Masjid, we went to Ahmedabad's famous 120 years old Chandravilas Restaurant, which is famous for its fafda and jalebi.
The jalebi is made in pure ghee.
अहमदाबाद का सबसे पुराना होटल है, 100 साल पुराना। कौन सा? चंद्रविलास रेस्टोरेंट। एंड टेस्ट इज ऑसम।
और घी में तली हुई जलेबी फाफड़ा, घी में।
Then we went to this famous unusual restaurant called Lucky's Restaurant. The unusual thing about the restaurant is its spacious sitting and table arrangements that are set up around the exposed gravestones and burial sarcophagi. Actually, the burial plots are the main attraction. The owner here, Mr. Krishnan Kutti, believed that eating in the presence of dead is good luck. So hundreds of people come here daily, eat bun maska chai and ask for their wish to come true. Then we went to Law Gardens Street Shopping Market. Here you will get all the ladies' item at affordable prices. Then we went to Food Truck Park for dinner, which is famous for its veg and non-veg cuisines.